guys, it's your girl real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are most definitely welcome. Please do well to subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make chili powder at home. So guys, let's jump right in. This is thoroughly washed cayenne pepper ready to go under the sun. A spice blender will be used to blend the pepper into flakes, thereafter coffee blender into powdery form. Some salt as preservatives. And there you have it, chili powder is ready. I trust you can do this at the comfort of your home. Thank you for spending your precious time with me. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.